Hiroshima. Welcome to Itsukushima Shrine, one of the most famous tourist attractions, not only in Hiroshima, but in Japan. The shrine complex is most famous for its dramatic torii gate, built in water, which appears to float during high tide. This is the time when the place is most picturesque. Pilgrims can access the gate during low tide. It was rebuilt 8 times since 1168, and the current one was completed in 1875. One of the most recognized landmarks in Hiroshima is Peace Memorial Park, commemorating the victims of the world's first nuclear attack. In this green island situated in the middle of the city, you can find there not only the Children's Peace Museum, but also the Atomic Bomb Dome. Situated close to the hypocenter of the nuclear bomb, it remained standing and has been left intact since then. For car enthusiasts, there is Mazda Museum. You can admire present as well as past models of the car manufacturer based in Hiroshima. In Yamato Museum, you can see a 1:10 scale replica of the battleship Yamato, as well as a real Mitsubishi Zero A6M fighter plane. Hiroshima Gardens attract thousands of visitors, especially in spring and autumn. We recommend Shukeien Garden, which is the oldest Japanese garden in the city, and 5,000 square meters Hill of Hope Garden, built in white marble, that was excavated from a quarry in Carrara, Italy. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.